the superstars are the privateer guys because they have to work a lot harder.
All the privateers that come to Dakar from me are crazy.
If you fail in any little detail, you end up like me.
The toughest race in the world is writing history again.
Dakar dominates my whole year, basically.
It's the most miserable and fun 2 weeks of your life.
Just look at Sebastian Loeb, he's hunting down al-attiyah.
It's an addiction because I feel like comfort with adrenaline.
We've been creating this dream all together, racing Dakar.
To win Dakar back-to-back would for sure be something really special.
We are a group of friends. We are not pros of the motorbike. We've been creating this dream all together, racing Dakar.
All the privateers that come to Dakar from me are crazy. Like, it's insane.
It's really amazing why so many amateurs take 100,000 euros to put it on the table, and they say, okay, let's go for a 2 week of racing, and it's really always not so funny.
It's one of them things on the bucket list, you need to do it. Like, you get it in your bloodstream, you want to come back and try again.
The Dakar Rally attracts competitors from across the world, and all of them fall into two different camps. The professionals, competing for points as their job in a season-long World Championship, and the amateurs or privateers, living the dream in the adventure of a lifetime.
Yeah, look, the privateer guys, it's hats off to them. It's like, it's not no easy task.
I wouldn't want to do that.
Oh yeah, I 100% wouldn't want to do it that way. I love the sport, love racing motorcycles, love Dakar and what it's all about, but I'm sure as hell I could spend 100, 150 grand in a lot better ways of sitting at Bora Bora, relaxing and chilling out. But it's just that the spirit of Dakar basically brings everyone here.
Carlos Gibre. I am part of this amazing team, the All-One team. We are 7 pilots expecting to finish Dakar 2024. And All-One, it's a beautiful story of a guy that was pushing himself with his twin brother, with me, and his friends to accomplish many dreams in life. Alex passed away in a motorbike accident 5 years ago. That was super tough for the team. The day I went to Alex's room, I found his list of 101 dreams to do in life. And actually that encouraged all our environment, not only friends, not only family, like a lot of people, in order to keep on pushing for our dreams. And now we decided to go to push ourselves to the biggest ever dream that we've had with Alex, which is Dakar.
The journey started by Carlos and his team to realise their dream took them to Morocco in October, the third event in the 2022 World Rally Raid Championship.
We are racing the Rally to Morocco, which is the rally that people goes to get the qualification on the road to Dakar. It's super mental. It's a race that tries to empty you in any aspect. Physically, mentally, navigation. Like, you cannot lose any second of control, like, of your concentration, neither the way you ride, the way you eat, the way you drink. If you fail in any little detail, you end up like me. I've broken my collarbone and my finger.
Wow, when I heard the story about the All-One team, I almost started to cry. It's a super beautiful story. group of super nice young guys, and they do what they love for a friend, and they can be super proud of what they do, and I hope that they get as much support as possible and that they enjoy it and do it for their friend.
The team follows exactly the same route and rules in the desert as the professionals, but the similarities end there. On the road for 500 kilometers or more each day, they do all the maintenance and bike repairs on their own. There's no outside assistance. They try to recover and snatch sleep where they can, depending how long it takes them to complete the stages.
There is a big difference between professional teams, factory teams, and amateurs, because the program of a factory team is full. You have all the year with many tests, you ride a lot, you do all the races of the championship. When you are amateur, it's not that easy, because you need a lot of budget to have more than one bike. You need to go to the desert, you need to do races, and it's not easy.
The funding and buying the bike and getting all the rooms, and they're camping in tents, and so it is a completely two different worlds. We fly to the races, everything's covered, everything's organised and put into place for us. We have campers and cooks and masseuses and everything that's basically on board for us to look after us.
For example, we are there for the cooking, and then we have a team chef, technical chief, and all the mechanics. So this is much easier for the riders. Compared to the private teams, you know, you have to organize everything. For us, it's easy. We get the message, hey, get up 3 o'clock in the morning, riders arrive 4 o'clock, breakfast has to be finished at 5 o'clock, leave camp 6 o'clock, all these things.
Without KTM would be this all not possible, and our crew, our team is already so big. It starts from the cooker, from the physio, from Tom, my mechanic, Tom, the helper, the team manager, the team coordinator. It is a huge group, but in this kind of racing, you need it more or less to have this huge group behind you, and it is such a really, really important key if you want to win.
This is the high end of Rally Raid, the reason why KTM is the sport's powerhouse team, with 18 consecutive victories on the Dakar between 2001 and 2019, including wins for Toby Price, Matthias Walkner and Sam Sunderland. But the team also sees a responsibility in helping privateers fulfill their Dakar ambitions.
We have this customer service package, and they are with X-Rates for Dakar, and they buy access to our customer service truck, so they can, whatever part breaks, they can just come there and get a replacement. So that's the way, like, we try to help these amateur riders.
The spirit of Dakar burns brightly, with mutual respect between all those who take on motorsport's greatest challenge, whether they're multiple world champions or solo adventurers paying for the privilege of contesting the toughest race in the world.
The money they have to spend to be here is insane, but it's so cool, like, when you reach out to them and then you really feel the love for this sport. You feel how much they want to be there, and I don't know what they risk, and everything they said no to in the last years to save money, to be able to be here is super cool.
All the images, the feeling, what you get back from such a cool, nice race, it keeps forever in your memories, and I think this is the reason why so many amateurs also go for this big challenge.
Yeah, something that I love deeply of this race is that you get to, talk with the pros as they were your friends in front. So it's super casual, super transparent, super friendly. It's something that it creates this climax, this special climax of this sport. So that would be one of the reasons why I love rally.